Hello everyone, welcome back to GHL Unlocked. Today I'm going to show you how to set automation when someone books in GoHighLevel. So the first thing you want to do is log into your GoHighLevel sub account. Then on the left side panel here, scroll down to automation. And in automation here, select create workflow and start from scratch. Now simply rename your workflow and click add new trigger. And since we want this trigger to run anytime an appointment is booked, we're going to search for appointments. And depending on your GoHighLevel setup, you might see one or more of these options. Appointment booked, which is not showing in mine, customer booked appointments, which is showing here, or appointment status. Since these two have different ways of being set up, I'm going to show you both. First, I'm going to select customer booked appointments. Select the option you see. Now scroll down and click add filters. Then select this drop down menu and scroll down to select in calendar. Then once again, this drop down right here, select it. Then select the calendar you want this workflow to run for and simply click save trigger. I'm going to head back to show you the other option, appointment status. If this is all you see, select it. Then scroll down and add filters. Select this drop down menu, scroll down and select appointment status is. Select this drop down again and select confirmed. Now add another filter and select the drop down, then select in calendar. Select the drop down once more and select the calendar you wish this workflow to run for. Then simply save the trigger. Now click this button to set the action. You can choose any action you want, whether you want an email to be sent, an SMS to be sent, or to send an internal notification to your team. I'm going to select send email. Now simply enter your name and the email address you want this to be sent from and the subject line and enter the message. Then save your action. And if you wish to add more than one action, simply click the plus icon once again and add as many as you want. Once you're done, toggle this from drafts to publish and click save. And make sure you test this workflow to make sure that it works properly. Try booking an appointment and see whether it sends the email or whatever action you selected. And that's how to set automation when someone books in GoHighLevel. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.